Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and today we're looking at a really beautiful Honda CBF250. Excellent learner bike, first bike, commuter bike, something if you want something cheap and reliable. Really great bike for that. This one's in very nice condition in the black colour, fairly standard all round, and it's a 2005 model itself. So up the front here, front tyre is in good condition. As you can see, plenty of thread. Disc here is good also, little bits of surface rusting but nothing major, probably come out with a wire brush. Front mudguards in really good condition, forks are really good with no signs of pitting or leaks, fork seals as well. Headlamp and indicators all really good as well here. We have tax on the bike until November this year. There's the clocks. Up over the top then, tank is in really nice condition. No kind of marks to make note of on this left hand side here. Seat is in really good condition here. Rear cowl, plastics all the way along, all very good. Chain is looking nice as well, and the sprocket also. Rear wheel here in nice condition as well. Engine is in nice condition here. Little bits of just aging with the bike, signs of use throughout, but nothing too major all the way through. And coming back down to the rear here, rear indicators and brake light all original. Tyre at the back is actually fairly new as well. Exhaust here all very good. Little bit of surface rusting again up here, but again nothing too major. Again, the bike is from 2005. Overall, I would say very good condition. Up in here, everything like that, engine cover casings, everything like that. There is a crack up here on the plastics, as you can see. As well, but apart from that, bike is in actually very nice condition. Given the pricing and what it's going to be used for, I'd say it's absolutely ideal for someone out there for a nice Honda CBF250. That's enough of the visuals. Let's go for a ride. Alright guys, we're now out. We're going to do the first bike of the day, which is this Honda CBF250. We're going to have to open the gate, so you'll have to bear with me with that while we go out. She's idling nicely, running, riding, stopping. Go through all the gears here as well. I have to set the time there, haven't done that. There's 27,000 kilometers on the clock. We're low on fuel, but should be able to do the little trip around here. First thing you notice is very comfortable, easy sitting position, upright. Not much strain on your wrists or hands. If we're stopped riding, it's because we've run out of fuel. Now, we might just skip past this in the edit. We might or we might not. We'll see anyway. Just get the keys out here. It's a bit awkward because I have to do it from the other way around. And I have a helmet on, I can't really see. The last thing I want to do here is drop the keys. And there we go. If I dropped the keys there, that would have been an absolute disaster. There we are. And we got everything through. Okay. Just put that in my pocket. And we'll open up this gate here now. And we're doing this on a Saturday, that's why it's not open. Leave it closed. I'll just do a little slit for me. Coming through on the bikes. That's all I need. Hopefully it doesn't close over on me now. Right. So away we go. On the usual route. It'd be good to get some air into her. She's kind of been sitting there idling, so she's definitely warmed up anyway. Second gear feels good. Clutch lever feels nice and light. The actual gear selector is nice and tactile still, so you get that good feedback. You're going into your gears, going through all the gears here. It's a lovely day, really perfect riding conditions around that 20 degrees mark. Fairly humid though, being in Ireland it's always fairly humid. Even now by the sea down here, It's better than it is up where I live currently, but in terms of humidity. But anyway, the CBF250, I mean, fairly basic bike, very simple, easy to ride. Not much to say about it here, other than he's going in there. Other than it does exactly what it says on the tin, and you can't really ask for much more than that. Brakes feel good at the front there. Very easy to maneuver. Going through all the gears up to the speed limit here in the estate. You've got tax on it. It'll be very cheap to insure, being a CBF model. And you'll have no qualms with a bike like this in terms of reliability. You can look it up online. If you keep up with the service intervals on this, I don't see what kind of issues you will have. As long as you know, if something becomes rattly or something becomes something, you go to a mechanic, you come to us and say, hey, what's the noise? Get that fixed. Okay, he's not going to come out in front of us. Indicate to our right here, say thank you to him for not coming out, and we'll go left. Now, left here, up and over, and into the left, and up to the top of the road, and here we are. Right, so that's been it really. A good little spin out. I'll put it on the side stand. I'll go through the horn here. Horn working, indicators, front left indicator working, rear left indicator working, rear right indicator working, front right indicator is working. We have the lights, high beam, and that's working as well. High beam, low beam, parking light, everything like that, ticking over. Sounds perfect. No clunks from the suspension. Brakes working nicely front and rear. As good as you're going to get a CBF. So that's been it. If you have enjoyed the video up until now, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, our socials are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.